There are lots of unicycles you can pick from. They all have different things about them, such as good stuff and how much they cost. I looked at a bunch of them, read what people said about them, and made a list of the best ones from good brands. After all that looking, I found these unicycles are helpful for you. If you want to know how much they cost in more details, just look at what I wrote below. So, let's start talking about them now. Number 1. Fun 20-inch Wheel Chrome Unicycle. The Fun 20-inch Wheel Chrome Unicycle with alloy rim combines style with functionality for riders of all skill levels. Featuring a striking chrome finish, this unicycle not only stands out visually, but also offers durability and performance. The 20-inch wheel is fitted with a robust alloy rim, ensuring a smooth ride over various surfaces, while providing stability and control. Designed with both beginners and experienced riders in mind, the unicycle includes comfortable saddle padding for extended sessions, and adjustable seat height to accommodate different preferences. Its sturdy frame and well-balanced construction make it suitable for practicing tricks, commuting short distances, or simply enjoying leisurely rides. The alloy rim enhances overall strength without compromising on weight, making the unicycle easy to maneuver and transport. Whether you're honing your unicycling skills or seeking a unique alternative mode of transportation, the Fun 20-inch Wheel Chrome Unicycle with alloy rim offers reliability, style, and a fun riding experience for enthusiasts of all ages. Number 2. AW 16 to 24-inch Wheel Outdoor Unicycle. The AW 16 to 24-inch Wheel Outdoor Unicycle offers an ideal blend of fun and fitness for both adults and kids alike. Designed for outdoor sports enthusiasts, it features an adjustable seat height, accommodating various rider sizes and preferences. This unicycle is crafted for durability and performance, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned riders looking to enhance their balance and coordination skills. Its sturdy frame and wheels ensure stability and reliability, even during vigorous exercise sessions or leisurely rides. The adjustable seat adds comfort and convenience, allowing users to find their optimal riding position effortlessly. Whether used for fitness routines or recreational activities, this unicycle promotes outdoor engagement and physical well-being. The AW 16 to 24-inch Wheel Outdoor Unicycle is a versatile choice, offering different wheel sizes to cater to different age groups and skill levels. It's an excellent option for families looking to enjoy outdoor activities together, or individuals seeking a unique way to stay active. Number 3. Unicycles for adults. Discover the ultimate in versatile fitness and entertainment with our adult unicycles. Engineered for adults seeking dynamic fitness routines and impressive balance training, these unicycles are perfect for daily exercise and cycling drills. Whether you're honing your balance skills or preparing for talent shows, our unicycles offer robust support and exceptional maneuverability. Crafted with high-quality materials, each unicycle ensures durability and reliability during intense workouts or leisurely rides. The adjustable seat and handlebar height accommodate various adult riders, promoting ergonomic comfort and proper posture. With sturdy tires designed for both indoor and outdoor use, you can confidently navigate various terrains while enjoying a smooth, controlled ride. Enhance your fitness regimen with a unique twist, as our unicycles challenge core stability and build lower body strength with every pedal. Ideal for individuals looking to expand their fitness horizons or entertain audiences with skillful performances, these unicycles blend practicality with entertainment values seamlessly. Number 4. ZHUH 16 Unicycle. The ZHUH 16 Unicycle boasts a robust construction featuring an excellent manganese steel frame, ensuring durability and reliability for riders of all skill levels. Designed with a focus on safety, it includes leakage protection to prevent accidents and ensure smooth operation. The mute bearing enhances the riding experience by minimizing noise, providing a quieter and more enjoyable journey. This unicycle is ideal for both beginners and experienced riders seeking a high-quality, long-lasting option. With its sleek design and sturdy build, the ZHUH 16 offers stability and balance, which are crucial for mastering various tricks and maneuvers. Its delivery option ensures timely arrival, making it convenient for customers across the United States. Whether used for leisurely rides or more competitive purposes, this unicycle combines practicality with performance, meeting the demands of discerning riders. Suitable for urban commuting or recreational use, it adapts well to different surfaces and environments. Number 5. 16. Outdoor Wheel Unicycle. They're introducing the 16 Outdoor Wheel Unicycle, a versatile cycling companion designed for office workers, students, and cycling enthusiasts alike. Crafted with a robust, height-adjustable steel frame, this unicycle offers durability and flexibility to accommodate riders of various heights. Whether you're commuting, exercising, or simply enjoying the outdoors, its leak-proof tire ensures a smooth and reliable ride on different surfaces. Ideal for beginners and experienced riders, the 16 Outdoor Wheel Unicycle promotes balance, coordination, and core strength, making it a perfect choice for fitness enthusiasts looking to diversify their workout routines. Its compact size and lightweight construction enhance portability, allowing for easy storage and transportation when not in use. Designed with safety in mind, this unicycle features ergonomic handles and a stable wheelbase, providing stability and control during rides. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising through parks, the 16 outdoor wheel unicycle promises an enjoyable and efficient cycling.